for context, this is my brother, Nick. Nick is a grand total of 20 years old.
Yep.
You're getting old now.
Yeah, actually, yeah, now you say it. Jeez.
And I've now spent more time with Nick since I've come back from New York. What's it been, 6 months now?
Yeah, about that, yeah, 6 months, jeez. Spent too much time with you now. When you
Too
get
much?
back, you should head back soon.
To be sent back. But Nick's just started selling some products online, similar to what we've been doing here on the vlog. And Nick's found a product that he likes, but as you can explain, you actually had to buy the product from a retailer here in Australia.
So one of the products that I'm looking at is something very similar can be sold at Kmart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go...
And for context, Kmart's a store
in Australia, very similar to Target, and
the US.
And Target have their own brands in Australia, and I'm going to go try out one of their products that's very similar to the one that I'm selling, and I'm going to see if any adjustments need to be made or anything along those lines.
We're trying to find the cheapest version of this product that he's selling, but I think he's already pre-ordered it, so hopefully we just got to enlist some security. How fun.
Perfect. Thank you.
Epic, thank you so much. That's cool. What did you get? Steam cleaner.
I'm just walking around here, bro.
I mean, what's cool is when you walk around, like even this would be a product that would sell well online. And now you might say this just looks like trinkety crap, and it kind of is, but it's all about marketing. So if you literally just sell mini Christmas tree waffles right now at Christmas, if you were to sell something like this and you were to market it as a gift that you could sell to someone, you get influencers on like TikTok Shop or get them on Facebook, bit of UGC content, and they're just literally sitting there making waffles, and it's Christmas. There are at least a couple of thousand people that would want something like that. And you give it to Facebook and you let it target and you let it run some ads. And the thing is, you could actually just buy the product from a retail store here in Queensland or Australia or in the US and just mark the thing up. Stuff dealing with trying to import stuff from China. So, I don't know, you just walk around stores and you just find this sort of stuff here. Like here, look, mini gingerbread man, waffle maker, same thing. And it's all Christmas themed stuff. So like over the next couple of weeks, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, this is the time to sell this sort of thing. So apparently it's free delivery over $60 here at Target. So you can literally batch order a bunch of stuff that you're selling, and then you could put it together, rebox it in your own box, and then just sell it, which is a great way just to test and try something to begin with. So yeah, stuff buying inventory in. This is a pretty good idea.
And you're going to left lane.
Why? What happened? What?
Way too big.
Way too big? The product's too big. No, I think with all this sort of stuff here, it's very easy to get carried away, because like you can come in here and you can buy your boxes, you can buy your tape, you can buy your stuff you put in it, and it's all very exciting. You buy label printers, but until you actually sell something, it doesn't matter. And a lot of people try and do all this work before they take the first step. And the first step might be launching some Facebook ads. The second step then is actually selling something. The third step then is now going and spending the capital to buy this sort of stuff to get the business in place. And then they also come here and they spend all this time buying this stuff, and I'm guilty of this. And then they take the focus off the business, which is, at the end of the day, selling more products to more people. So the only advice that I would honestly have is just focus on what's important. What do you think? Alright, so we are about to send our second lot of Facebook ads live for the e-commerce product that we're selling. The ads we shot the other day, they're pretty cool. They're about 35 seconds each, 5 different ads, all with a different kind of hook at the start and a kind of different variation. So within the first 10 seconds, it's like a different opening. And we found from the last set of ads that we've been running that a question works the best. So if it's a question to the audience like, do you hate X? Do you not like doing X? Have you had this problem X? That works well versus telling someone, hey, check out this great product that does Y. People don't like being told, but they like being asked, and they get to make their own opinion on certain things. So the next set of ads, all these ads that we've now filmed, are literally all that. So we're gonna post these today. So we're in Facebook, and here's a little look at our campaign so far. We've spent $3,300 trying to promote this product, and this is all US dollars, so about 4,000 Australian. And as mentioned, we've sold about $4,500 worth of product. Our cost of goods is pretty low, so we're just breaking even. which is not great. So today we're gonna duplicate a campaign, publish some new ads, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So, both of these campaigns we've got here, you'll see there's two here in Facebook, are pretty much the same. So we'll pick this one here, just because it's the most recent one that I duplicated. And we're gonna here, we'll go duplicate, and you just see here, yeah, just keep all this the same. We'll duplicate. So the power of duplicating is it's gonna take all that it knows from the customer that it's learnt with the $1,500 I just spent on that ad set. It's gonna take that, it's gonna roll it into this campaign, and we're just gonna replace the ads. So we don't wanna really change anything, so we might just call it, now it's 1.3 campaign. We'll keep this all the same. So our goal is still websites and sales, pixel, purchase event, it's all the same, we're still targeting Australia. Our daily budget, I might actually make this $100 to be honest, because I'm not sure how these ads are gonna go. I wouldn't go below 100 to be honest. If you can afford it, start with 100. It gives Facebook enough money to actually spend and figure out who your customer is. So really what we're gonna do here is go in and just change the Facebook ad. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna click publish. And once I click publish down here, the ads are literally gonna be live. I give it about 24 to 48 hours to see if the ad set is actually doing well. If there's ads in the ad set that aren't doing well, I'll just turn them off so Facebook stops spending money on them. But I would at least give it 24 to 48 hours. You're kind of gonna have diamond hands. Hold them, see if this stuff works, and then make a decision on whether you wanna keep it going or turn it off. We have kind of solved our problem of the day, which is supply and getting this product into the country. Turns out that there is a retailer that actually sells the product that we're currently marketing. And I have bought Australia's entire stock of this thing. So there's about 50 of the products that exist, and they're across all these different retailers. So I've received around 25 so far of these products into the warehouse that we're using. And then we have another 25 that still need to arrive so we can fulfill existing customer orders. That said, this is not a proper supply relationship where we can order this stuff in properly. So we still need to find someone in China to manufacture this. So I have been on my phone texting a couple of people that I know. The best estimate that I've got to get this produced in China is 2 to 3 months.
When you're in Italy? I don't know, like I use like that. It's in there. It's in the right door. There you go.
What I have found is that the network you have and just the people who know people is the most important thing. Because if you know the same people or a group of people who do similar things, who have all different networks, so say you're trying to get something sourced, you can have a really close-knit network of really great people who can give you these accurate timelines, who can tell you the real of what to expect, and then you can rely that what they're saying is actually truth, and you don't have to run around and try to talk to 20 people about the same thing. So I'm fortunate that at least when I started this whole journey of going to China and trying to import things, I put on my LinkedIn, I am going to China. I literally sat in front of a screen with my phone and went, I'm going to China, I'm going to be there for a week. Does anyone know anyone? Can you help us source products? Yada, yada, yada. And I had like 30, 40 people reach out, all with their networks and contacts and things. So if you have some sort of reach, I could not recommend more. Just going out and speaking to people and getting in front of the right people and trying to build a little network that are specialists in what you're trying to do. And if you don't have a network, I would just be trying to message people that you know have done something similar. Just Google them, find them online, and just trying to get networked and get introduced to them, because it's going to make your life that much easier, and you're going to make, 95% less mistakes because they've made those mistakes for you.